So this is the pound New Zealand end of day buy analysis for Friday the 20th of October. Now, with these buy analysis trades, these are not trade recommendations or investment advice. These videos are primarily for illustration purposes only, and they're just indicating, they're based on the indicator used on this chart on this daily time frame, indicating sell signals based on the black triangle to the downside, or a buy signal indicated by the red triangle to the upside. So now on the 19th we did have a red triangle to the upside. So let's just find see if the trade recommendation based on the indicator is correct and supportive of an upward move. So with this indicator, hypothetical stops would be placed at the low of the signal candle. In this case, the low would be at 184.35. So if I just grab the see, so it'll be 184.36. Yes, 184.36. Let's cross it out. 184.36, and that's our hypothetical stop. That's where our hypothetical stop would be, and let's just get it off the chart. So let's get this off of there as well. So that's where our hypothetical stop would be. Now let's just have a look at this, see if we have justification for taking this long. So what I like to see in terms of taking long trades, I like to see higher lows for long trades. So on this occasion, let's just get the drawing tool out as well. So we've had a lows down here on those three. We've had a slightly higher low there, and we had a bit of consolidation here, and we look poised to put in a higher low as well. We are in a bit of a range at the moment, so we would like to see us break out of this range to the upside. Over here to our left, we do have what could potentially be, we could potentially have what might actually be some resistance in and around this 190 level. So let's just see where that is. Let's just get this drawing tool off the chart, and let's see where that is. That is currently, the height there was at 89.59. We're currently trading at 87.14. So we're on 59. Let's just put it on the chart in around there. So that's our potential, that's the hypothetical target. That's a hypothetical first target. We've already highlighted where the hypothetical stop would be. In favor of this trade is the fact that we've broken away from this 200 period moving average here in blue. We've broke above we're trading quite strongly above the 50 period as well, and we've successfully broken the 400 period. Had a couple of retests, a bit of a pullback near the 400 period moving average, and we seem to be breaking with some strong momentum to the top of the range. We look poised to break out above the top of the range. So let's just have a look at the higher time frames to see where we are. So if we have a look on this weekly chart, and when it loads eventually, yes. So on this weekly chart, we've mentioned the previous high over here, which is our medium-term target, and we've mentioned these lows down here, which were our higher lows, our series of higher lows. Now, we could potentially look at, is this the Brexit week? Yes, we've got a Brexit week candle here, and where it actually closed at, Brexit week candle closed at 190.90. That's another potential area where we could see prices reversed. There may be a couple of sellers, as we've seen with the pound. Was it a pound against the dollar? There's a pound against the... Yes, there's a pound against the dollar in around the close of the Brexit week. We did see some selling most recently. Let's just get it off the chart. So in around, I did mention the level. So we were saying we were looking at 190.90. That's where we'd be looking for our next potential area where we could see prices actually reverse from. So beyond that, prices could potentially, let's just see where we are. We've got these levels over here in around 193. We could potentially see prices reverse from there in around 193. Beyond that, we've got these 200 and 400 period moving average here on a weekly chart, both of which are currently, let's see where they're sitting at the moment. They're sitting at 198.65 and 199.29. So in and around the 198.99 zone, we could potentially see a heavy reversal in prices. So let's just have a look at the monthly chart, see if that is supportive of the bullish move and the bullish signal indicated by the indicator I'm using on this chart. So let's have a look at the monthly chart. I wonder if it's a similar stories with higher lows. On the monthly chart, we did have our lows over here since the sell-off in Brexit. We've come up to this near this 190 level, had a bit of a pullback and posted a higher low. We've had 2 previous consecutive months of buying momentum. This month of October, we're seeing a follow through and a continued buying momentum. So again, these are all supportive of a bullish move in the pound against the New Zealand, as indicated by the indicator on the daily time frame. So that should wrap up the analysis, end of day analysis for the pound against New Zealand. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.